Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable comments on YouTube. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to download YouTube Studio on your mobile device. Now once downloaded, just tap on the app and launch it. Now make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now once you are here, you will see your dashboard of your profile. Now just at the middle of the screen, you can see the latest published content and you can see a video that I had uploaded on my YouTube channel. So just select any of the videos that you want to enable or turn on comments for. In my case, I'm gonna open this video right at the middle of my screen. Now once you are here at the top right corner, you can see various options. Now just tap on the pencil icon, which is the option for edit. With that, you'll come across this page. Now you can see the option of more options and you can see tags, shorts remixing, category and more. So just tap on that option. Now once you are here, you can see the option of comments, which is turned off. Now tap on that option of comments. Now once you are here, simply tap on the option of on at the top. Now just beside comment moderation, you can see the option of basic. So if you tap on the drop down icon of basic at the right hand corner, you can see various options and you can select any of these options according to your preference. So for now, I'm just gonna choose the option of basic, which will eventually hold potentially inappropriate comments on my video. Now once done, go back. Now let's go back again and you can tap on the option of save at the top right corner. So by doing these steps, you'll be able to enable comments on your YouTube video. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel.